What's up, everybody? It's Van with Hang Free, and today is a start of hopefully a new schedule where we're going to be trying to post every single Wednesday on YouTube. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we have a product of the day going up on our TikTok, our Instagram, our Facebook, and our YouTube Shorts. So go ahead and go over to those platforms, check those out, and learn a little bit more about all of our products. We're going to be trying to do this basically until we're out of products. That's 230 products. Divide that by 3, you get what you get. Math's not my specialty, rope is. Either way, today's video is going to be on Amsteel gear zips. We've shown them a few times in different videos, but we've never really covered them. They're extremely popular. They were originally designed by us, and we've now been selling them for, I think, 4 years. And I feel like just about everybody watching this video probably already has a pack. But if you don't, that's why you're watching this video. They are one of the easiest, lightest ways and most adjustable ways of bringing up gear, whether that's a climbing stick, a stand, a platform, up the tree with you, attaching it to your saddle. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. But before I do that, I want to go over exactly what the differences are. We're going to have 2 different options, both of which come in a 2-pack and are just over $10. I'm not sure the exact price, but you can either hit the link below or go over to the website and check them out. I know they're just over $10 each. We're going to have an XL gear zip. That's going to be olive green, 1/8 Amsteel blue. Obviously, blue is the name. It is just olive green. And then we're going to have a 7/64 Amsteel blue in black for the smaller size. This would be, again, our XL. You can kind of see the size differences here. If you're carrying up real large stuff, XL is the way to go. Or if you just want to make sure you have ample room. If you're doing mainly climbing sticks, then the regular or standard option is a great option, really lightweight, stays out of your way. But they both work the exact same. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the more kind of popular option, which is the black or 7/64 gear zip. Putting the olive green one away. What you'll do with, again, this is for both options. They work the exact same. It's just size difference. And if you're wondering why I'm sweating like a stuck pig, that is because I'm in a warehouse with no AC in Orlando, Florida. So it is extremely hot. I can feel it on my lip. I can feel it basically all over my entire body. So I apologize for sweating like that. But basically, you're going to take the little fixed eye of your gear zip. You're going to pass it after you pick it up from dropping it. Good thing is you only have to do this once. Once you pick it up, put the fixed eye through your molly webbing. You're going to take the rest of that loop and you're going to pass it back through that fixed eye, creating a girth hitch. Now that is on your saddle, that is good to go. You don't have to attach it again, take it off. It just lives on there. It's going to have an adjustable loop. It's going to be one-hand adjustable, meaning you pull tight with one hand, it locks out. You would grab on to the spliced side and pull it back that way to loosen it up. It is fully one-hand operational, and I'll show you that. With a climbing stick, you can go over the verse button, you can go over the actual step, you can go over the standoff. It literally does not matter what you go over. I'll go over the entire step. And if I were to be holding something in my right hand, I can't cinch it tight. I can always cinch it tight with my left, and it stays wherever you let it go. To get it undone, all you do is reach and find the side that has actually been spliced through, and I'm sure why you can see it a little bit better with that camera. But here's the side that's actually been spliced through. All you do is relieve a little bit of weight off of it and pull that side basically loose. Then you can take it right back off. You can literally, anything that fits in these loops, you can put in that loop and cinch tight. They're extremely versatile and can be removed. They can be added to a pack. Anything you can girth hitch it onto, it can be added to. They're, again, one of our best sellers of all time. They came out, it was, again, original design by us. You see them a few other places now, but we came out with them right at the beginning of our business. Honestly, cool story behind them. It was kind of a mistake. I was actually, at the time, trying to do a post a day on Instagram, and at that time, the easiest thing to do was come up with a new product, and that's how the gear zip was born. But we try to make them really affordable, easy to use, and very operational. Only thing you guys have to know about them is that they can invert themselves if you pull too much with this, with nothing in the actual loop. I'm going to go ahead and ruin this one. But if you were to pull all the way through, there's no getting that to back out or undo itself. It would be kind of done for, but as you can see, it almost has to be intentional. It really we've actually never seen it happen. I'm just warning you guys that it can happen as sweat drips down my nose. But truly, we've never actually seen that happen. So if it does happen, let us know. We'll help you out. But that is going to be the Amsteel gear zips in the olive green 1/8 size and the 7/64 black size. And again, they're just over $10, come in a 2-pack. If you don't have these, go pick them up. I'm Van with Hang Free. Check them out. And while you guys are watching this video, these are actually going to be in our new weekly deal collection for a discounted price until the end of this week. You guys are seeing this video on a Wednesday. That deal will run through Sunday. And then the next week, there's 5 new products in there. So stay up to date. Follow us on our socials. We got a lot coming. We're going to be doing a lot of content, showing you guys a lot of our products. And it's going to be a really exciting year. So thanks for watching. Have fun, stay safe, and of course, hang free.